13 years na akong nireregla. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na nakakawala pala ng dysmenorrhea ang pads, lol. Okay, so let me educate you on how negative ions help you during menstrual period. The negative ions present in an ion sanitary napkins are believed to help improve blood circulation. And this increased circulation can in turn help to reduce cramps and other menstrual discomforts. And these pads are thought to help reduce cramps by reducing inflammation and improving blood circulation. Negative ion sanitary napkins may prevent UTI, myoma, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, vaginal odor, hormonal imbalance, hemorrhoids, inflammation, viral and bacterial infections such as cervical cancer. So, what are the advantage of using sanitary pads with negative ions? These are comfortable to wear, thin body shape, and with high level of hygiene.